Welcome to our countdown of the most influential American muscle cars of the 1960s. Cars that weren't just about speed, but about dominating the streets. America's obsession with power in the 60s fueled a golden era of muscle cars. Born in Detroit, these cars weren't just about looks. They were built to roar and conquer. But which of these machines truly defined muscle in its purest form? Let's find out. Let's start with the 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS, a high-performance variant of the popular Impala lineup. Its powerful engine options, sleek styling, and luxurious touches quickly became a favorite. Known for its classic V-shaped grille and sporty look, the SS model stood out with bucket seats, a center console, and unique badging. Engine options included the legendary 409 cubic inch V8, which offered up to 409 horsepower, giving the car impressive performance for its era. It became iconic in pop culture, thanks to the Beach Boys song 409, which highlighted the thrill of owning this muscle car. The car remains a classic symbol of early 1960s American automotive culture. Next is the 1963 Pontiac Catalina, a two-door sports sedan featuring a powerful 421 HO V8 engine delivering 370 horsepower. The 1963 Catalinas are especially cherished for their Super Duty trim. During its era, lightweight versions of the Pontiac Catalina, built from NASCAR specs, dominated drag strips. Crafted with lightweight components, some Catalinas even sported Swiss cheese frames to enhance their power-to-weight ratio. Unfortunately, GM's racing ban ended the SD program later that year, but the Catalina remains a classic symbol of muscle car performance. Number 3. The 1963 Plymouth Savoy Max Wedge, a powerhouse built for the drag strip, was equipped with a Max Wedge 426 V8 and produced up to 425 horsepower, making it one of the fastest production models of its time. Designed with a stripped-down, no-frills approach, the Savoy emphasized performance over luxury. Plymouth offered two Max Wedge versions, the Stage 2 and the Stage 3, including high-performance upgrades to dominate the quarter mile. These cars became legendary in early drag racing circuits, helping solidify Plymouth's reputation for speed. Number 4. The 1964 Dodge Polara, named after the star Polaris, was inspired by the excitement of the space race. As the successor to the Coronet, the Polara made a name for itself in the drag strip. It came with two powerful engine options, the Ram Charger 426 Wedge, producing 415 horsepower, and the 426 Hemi, rated at 425 horsepower, though some say it delivered closer to 550. With a full drag racing tune, the Polara 500 could fly through the quarter mile in just 12 seconds, reaching speeds close to 120 miles per hour. Number 5. The 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt, a limited edition model from Ford with just 100 units made, was explicitly crafted for the NHRA Superstock Series, and it didn't disappoint, securing victory in its class. This powerhouse, a true skunkworks marvel, packed a 7.0-liter V8 engine officially rated at 425 horsepower, but estimated closer to 500. Built for the track, the Thunderbolt could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds and completed a quarter-mile run in under 12 seconds, making it a street-legal race car like no other. Carroll Shelby's relentless pursuit of combining extreme power with unmatched performance led to the creation of the 1965 Shelby GT 350R Fastback. Designed specifically for racing, the R stands for Race Spec, as it was fully compliant with the Sports Car Club of America, the SCCA, regulations. A total of 36 units were produced, allowing enthusiasts to buy a track-ready car straight from the dealership and hit the circuit immediately. One of these GT 350R models became the winningest car of 1968, clinching first place in 32 of 54 SCCA races, solidifying its legend on the track. Number 7. The 1966 Dodge Coronet Street Hemi was a powerful addition to Dodge's muscle car lineup, famous for its 426 cubic inch Hemi V8 engine, producing a massive 425 horsepower. This power allowed it to dominate the street and the drag strip, with performance tailored to thrill. Interestingly, only about 136 units were made with the Hemi engine that year, making it a rare and highly sought-after model among collectors today. The Coronet's clean, no-frills design focused on raw power and became an icon of the golden age of muscle cars. Number 8. The 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne was a no-nonsense, full-size sedan that offered serious muscle car performance in a more understated package. Known for its simplicity and affordability, The Biscayne could be equipped with various powerful engines, including the robust 427 cubic inch V8, which delivered an impressive 425 horsepower. This powerhouse engine gave the Biscayne surprising speed and performance, making it popular among enthusiasts who wanted power without the flash. While it lacked the sporty trims of other Chevy models, it was a favorite among those who appreciated its unassuming style and strong performance on the drag strip. Number 9. The 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 is a full-size American classic, representing the height of the mid-60s automotive style. It's known for its powerful engine options, smooth ride, and spacious interior. This model was part of the fourth generation of the Galaxie line, featuring a more squared-off, muscle body style with sleek chrome accents. It offered various engines, including a 240 cubic inch inline-six and multiple V8 options, up to the powerful 427 cubic inch engine for high-performance enthusiasts. Ford offered a 7-liter version that year, exclusively equipped with a 428 cubic inch V8, targeting drivers seeking more luxury and power in a single package. The 7-liter Galaxie 500 became a desirable collector's model, showcasing Ford's response to the era's muscle car craze while maintaining full-size comfort. Number 10. The stock 1966 Oldsmobile Toronados had a 7.0-liter V8 engine producing 385 horsepower. But for Jay Leno, that power wasn't enough. He took one of these classics and supercharged it with a heavily modified, twin-turbocharged aluminum 425 cubic inch LS6 V8, now cranking out an impressive 1,070 horsepower. Though the exterior still looks stock, this powerful Oldsmobile actually sits on a reworked C5 Corvette chassis and suspension. And while the original Toronado was front-wheel drive, Leno transformed his version into a rear-wheel drive powerhouse, making it a true performance beast. Number 11. The 1967 Chevrolet Corvette L88 is one of the most legendary and rare muscle cars of the 1960s, known for its raw power and minimalist design, specifically engineered for racing. Equipped with a 7.0-liter V8 engine, the L88 delivered a jaw-dropping 430 horsepower, though actual output was closer to 550 horsepower, making it a formidable track performer. Only 20 units of the 1967 Corvette were produced. Chevrolet intentionally understated its performance capabilities, even discouraging dealerships from selling it to non-racing customers to keep it exclusive to serious racers. This exclusivity and raw power made the L88 one of the most coveted Corvettes among collectors. Number 12. The 1967 Mercury Cougar GT is a classic American muscle car that marked Mercury's entry into the pony car market. Positioned as a more luxurious cousin to the Ford Mustang, it featured distinctive styling with a sleek, long hood, hidden headlights, and a signature electric shaver grille. Under the hood, the GT option included a powerful 390 cubic inch V8 engine, generating 320 horsepower, giving it solid performance to match its upscale image. The 1967 Cougar GT won the prestigious Motor Trend Car of the Year award. It was praised for combining style, comfort, and performance. This recognition helped establish the Cougar as a standout in a competitive market filled with iconic muscle cars. And last on today's list, the 1968 Mercury Cyclone GT is a bold and powerful muscle car known for its aerodynamic design and strong performance credentials. Its sleek, fastback body, distinctive front grille, and sporty styling cues like racing stripes and optional hood scoops make it a must-have. Under the hood, the Cyclone GT was equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 325 horsepower and an optional 428 Cobra Jet V8 for even greater power. Mercury marketed it as the aircraft carrier on the road due to its aerodynamic shape and strong road presence, emphasizing its performance-oriented design. This model also saw success in NASCAR, where its aerodynamic profile proved advantageous on high-speed tracks, adding to its racing pedigree. These American muscle cars were more than just machines. They were icons, symbols of freedom, power, and rebellion. Their roaring engines and aggressive designs captivated a generation. Which of these would you pick to relive the golden age of muscle? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for part 2 of American Muscle Cars, and hit that like button if these legends make your heart race. We'll see you in the next one.